Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about power 10 subtraction. Power 10 subtraction means it is just like racing subtraction, but here you will see a series of 0. You see, the sutra used in power 10 subtraction is Nikilam Navatah Charamam Dasatha, which means all to 9 last from 10. So we will discuss some numbers regarding this concept. Suppose 3, 8, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 2, 5, 9, 3, 4, 6, 2, 8, 4, 0. So you can see clearly how many zeros are involved in this part number 3, 8, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros are there. So in such type of number, what we have to do? We have to take all the zeros. How many zeros are there? 7 zeros are there. So we will make all the zeros 9 except the last one. Last zero we have to make it 10. All to 9 last from 10. So all the zero will make 9 except the last zero. This is the series of 0 and this one is the last one. Last one always you have to make 10 and the rest other you have to make 9. So now we do the subtraction, but before going to that, first we have to check 3 minus 2 possible, but next place we have to check like this is subtraction. 8 minus 5, 8 is greater than 5. So 3 minus 2, that is 1. Now 4 minus 9, 4 is less than 9, not possible. So what we have to do, 8 will be decreased by 1. 8 minus 1, that means we are having 7. 4 is less than 9, so 8 will be decreased by 1. This 7, 7 minus 5 is, that is 2. Now 4, when we are going to do 4 minus 9, we have to check the next one. 0 is less than 3, so 4 will be decreased by 1, that is 3. 3 minus 9 not possible. This 3 minus 9 not possible, so in that case what we have done, 9 complement will be added. 9 complement is what? 9 complement is 1. 1 will be added to 3. 3 plus 1, that is 4. So you have done up to this much. Now simple subtraction. 9 minus 3, that is 6. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 9 minus 6, that is 9 minus 6, that is again 3. 9 minus 2, that is again 7. 9 minus 8, that is again 1. But remember one thing, here 0 minus 0 possible. Here 0 minus 0 possible. So we have to make the previous 0 as 10. As because we don't need to take 10 here, as because 0 minus 0 it is possible here. So 10 minus 4, that is 6, and 0 minus 0, 0. So though the meaning is all to 9 last from 10, so if subtraction is possible, then you cannot take 10 there, as because 10 minus, if you take 10 here, 10 minus 0, how much it will be? 10. You cannot write 10. For each subtraction, it cannot be 2-digit number. It can be only 1-digit number. So what I have done, first 3 digits I have done like earlier, which we have studied in racing subtraction. I applied that formula, and then rest of the zeros what I have done, all the zeros I turn into 9, and thereafter last 0 I turn it to 10. Thereafter simple subtraction, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 6 again 3, 9 minus 2 that is 7, 9 minus 8 that is 1, 10 minus 4 that is 6, 0 minus 0 that is 0. Here I did not take 10 as because 0 minus 0 it is possible. That one you have to keep in mind. So more numbers we will do so that you will be able to understand. Take a screenshot so that you will be able to get. See, suppose 7, 8, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, 4, 3, 9, 6, 2, 5, 7, 4, 0, 5. we have to do subtraction here. So what I have to do? First 0 minus 0 possible, 8 minus 5 possible, 0 minus 0 possible, 8 minus 5 possible. So this one we have to write 10. I cannot write 10 here, but 10 minus 0 I cannot do. And before all 0 I have to make it 9. So this one you have to check. If this number is 3, then you have to take 10 here and this 0 must be 9. So that one you have to keep in mind. If it is 0 here, then you have to take 10 here. If it is 3 here, then 0 minus 3 not possible, you have to take 10 here. Let it be 3, then we will change. So 8 is greater than 3, 8 is greater than 3, so 7 minus 4 is 3, 4 is less than 9, 4 is less than 9, so 8 will be decreased by 1, that is 7, 7 minus 3, that is 4. Now 5 is less than 6, 5 is less than 6, so 4 will be decreased by 1, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 how much? 3, 3, 9, 3 plus 9 complement, that is 1, that means it is 4. Now 0 is less than 2, so this one will be decreased by 1, that means how much? 4, 5 minus 1, 4, and 6 complement will be added, 6 complement again 4, that means it is 8. 3, 4, 4, 8. Now directly 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 5, that is 2, 9 minus 7, that is 2, 9 minus 4, that is 5, 10 minus 3, that is 7, and 8 minus 5, that is 3. Your answer is 3, 4, 4, 8, 7, 2, 2, 5, 7, 3. So what I have done, 7 minus 4, 8 minus 3 possible, 7 minus 4, 3, 4 minus 9 not possible, 8 decreased by 1, 7, 7 minus this, 7 minus 3, that is 4. Then when I am going to do this, 4 minus 9 not possible, 5. When I am doing this, I have to check this one, 5 is less than 6. So 4 decreased by 1, 3, 9 complement added to this, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4. And thereafter 0 is less than 2, so 5 decreased by 1, that is 4, and 6 complement added, that means 4 plus 4, 8. Thereafter direct subtraction, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 here it will be 4, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 4 that is 5, 9 minus 3 this is 10 minus 3 that is 7, and 8 minus 5 that is 3. Your answer is 3, 4, 4, 8, 7, 4, 2, 5, 7, 3. So more number we'll discuss so that you'll be able to understand. Nine, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, minus 5, 8, 3, 6, 9, 4, 1, 8, 3, 7, 0. Now how to do this? So see here, 4 is less than 8, 4 is less than 8, so 9 minus 5 that is, so 4 is less than 8, so 9 will be decreased by 1, 8, 8 minus 5 that is 3, 8 minus 5 that is 3. Now 0 is less than 3, so 4 will be decreased by 1, 3, 3 and 8 complement 3 plus 2 that is 5. Now 9, 9, 9 and this is 10. Here 9, 0 minus 0 possible, so this is 10. You don't need to take 9, 9, 10 because 0 minus 0 is possible. So first series consists of 4 0, another series consists of 3 0. Here 9, 9, 9, 10, 3 9s and 1 10 I have taken. Here 1 9 and 1 10 I have taken, because 0 minus 0 it is possible, you can subtract 0 minus 0. Okay. So 9 minus 3 how much? That is 6. 9 minus 6 how much? 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. 10 minus 4 that is when you are doing this, you have to check this. Keep in mind, because after this 0 numbers are there. So 2 minus 1 possible, 2 is greater than 1. So 10 minus 4, that is 6. But 3 is less than 8. 3 is less than 8. So this one will be decreased by 1. Now 1 minus 1, that is 0. 0 is less than 3. So 3 minus 1, 0 is less than 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 8 complement 2 will be added, 2 that is 4, 9 minus 3 that is 6, 10 minus 7 that is 3, and here it is 0. Your answer is 356, 306, 604, 306, 04, 630. 35630, 604, 630. This is your answer. One more number will do. Take a screenshot so that it will be easy for you to understand. Five nine seven four 0 0 0 0 0 3 minus 2897 236 407. So what you have to do? 9999, but 0 and 0 possible. 0 minus 0 possible, but next number not possible. 3 minus 10. So you have to take 10 here. 3 minus 7 is because not possible. 0 minus 0 possible, but its next one. 3 minus 7 not possible, so you have to take 10 here. Okay. So 9 is greater than 8, so 5 minus 2, that is 3. 7 is less than 9. 7 is less than 9, so 9 will be decreased by 1. 8. 8 minus 8, that is 0. Now 4 is less than 7, so 7 is decreased by 1. 6. Now 9 complement will be added. 6 plus 1, that is 7. Now 0 is less than 2, so it will be decreased by 1. 3. 7 complement, again you have to add 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now direct subtraction, 9 minus 2, that is 7. 9 minus 3, that is 6. 9 minus 6, that is 3. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 10 minus 0 it is coming, but we can see here 3 is less than 7. So it will be decreased by 1, 9. So 9 minus 0, that is 9. And 7 complement will be added. 3 plus 3, that is 6. Got it? 10 minus 0, we cannot write 10 as because when we are going to do, I told to you, after 0 if number exists, then you have to check the next one. This 0, 3, it is there. So 3 minus 7 not possible, so this number is 10. 10 will be decreased by 1, that is 9. 9 minus 0, that is 9. And 7 complement will be added as because after 3 no digits are there, so 7 complement will be added. 3 plus 3, that is 6. Now alternate addition also you can do. 6 7 13, 1 carry 1 9 10, again 1 1 5 6 6 4 10, again 1 1 3 4 4 6 10, again 1 1 6 7 7 3 10, again 1 1 7 8 8 2 10, again 1 1 6 7 7 7 14, again 1 1 7 8 8 9 17, again 1 1 8 9 3 2 5. So in this manner you can check whether your answer is correct or not. I hope you'll be able to understand power term subtraction. After that only one concept will remain, balancing over. That one next class we are going to read. Thank you for watching.